Hi guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to be part of AJC Slime channel. My name is Ava, and I am going to be making some slimes today for y'all, and I have some stuff that I picked up from from Dollar Tree and from Walmart. So if you would like to get started, let's do it. Okay, of course you'll need some bowls, guys. I have a bowl, it's just plain, and then I got a gallon of glue, because I always make slime with gallons. So I'm just going to be doing that. And then I have some Tide for my activator today. And on my other channel, you can just go check it out. All you have to do is just type in 3 normal slimes, and y'all can just go see that. So let's just get started. And then I forgot to mention to comment below so we can do shout outs. And I just have some paint. So comment down below if you like slime a lot as well as I do. So we're just gonna get started with the slimes. So I'm just gonna pour some glue in here. And okay, and guys, I just want this to kind of be like a kind of like a mermaid color. So I'm gonna use some blue, some yellow, and some green. So let's just get started. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Hold on 1 second. Sorry guys, I just got some spoons, and I have some toothpicks for you guys today. So I can be so it's not too much or too little. But this paint looks very liquidy, but yep, I'm just going to put, I want to try to put kind of almost like not even really a teaspoon of blue, cause yeah. And then I'm gonna set that right there, and here. Now, close the set, and I have some yellow. I'm just going to pour about, literally we do not need much of this, guys. The less is the better. So definitely put some in, but definitely just make sure that you do not put too much. Otherwise your slime will be just a really, really green because of all the yellow that y'all put if you do it. And now I'm just going to put just a tiny bit of just some green paint. Now guys, you want about the same amount as you wanted some blue, so just zoom that in. So this is really blue right now because the yellow didn't really do anything, but now it's turning a little bit green. I just am going to put a touch of maybe not even hardly a bit of black to just make it a little bit more darker. So it'll be like a kind of almost like the mermaid color I told you about. So, all I'm doing, guys, is, yeah, that just helped me with the color a lot. And I'm just going to put just a tad bit more of the green paint. So, I got it together, and now I'm just going to stir it up. Stir it, stir it. Okay, and I got it the perfect color I wanted it to be. So, yay. Now I'm just going to pour about like, just, I'm filling up this cup, not even halfway. So, in Tide, I forgot to mention that I have borax, I have contact solution, or baking soda you can do this with. But I am just going to be putting some Tide in today, because I know that's a really popular slime activator. And my favorite slime activator is borax, but I mean, I have some, but yeah. And I make videos usually every Monday, and yeah, I just make them at random times sometimes. Okay, guys, and I'm just still stirring this up so it's a perfect consistency. Okay. Putting a little bit more activator in. And again, I'm only putting not even, like, almost half the cup again, since it was not that good last time. So guys, I've almost got this completed for the slime. Sorry guys if you can hear that really strange sound in the back. It's just the TV's on. So yeah. Anyway guys, I've just got this slime almost completed. It's very stretchy. I love it. It's so good. It's so awesome. I love it so much. It's just this beautiful, just blue slime. Here, let me turn off the TV really quick. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's just I had to turn down the TV really quick. But I'm so glad that I got this wonderful blue color. And guys, if you can see, I've got this just like white mat down, and if you make slime, I just use a mat sometimes, and it's just really cool. So, if you see, I'm just trying to get this really stretchy because it really is. And guys, this is like the best slime ever. Look how stretchy and light it is. I would have done some shaving cream, but I just didn't want to do it really because I just wanted it to be a plain slime. And so guys, I'm going to be making one more for you guys. And anyway, here. I'll just give you a bit I'll just give you a close-up really quick, guys. Hold on 1 second. So guys, as you can see, the slime is so good, light and fluffy, and it's just that I love it so much. You can see here. It's so light and fluffy. I love it so much. It is such a bright and pretty blue. It's so pretty, guys. I love it so much. And I love squishing that. That is also really fun. So I'm just squishing it for you guys so you can see how nice the texture is. So, okay, on to our next slime. Okay, guys. I've got slime here, and I'll just put it in my bowl. Now, let's move on to the next slime. So I got my just regular bowl, and then I've got some, remember I have this glue, so I'm just pouring a tad more back in, and this time I want to make like a cotton candy sort of pink, and I'm adding, just a bit of red. So, it turned it such a pretty pink, guys. Look at this slime. It's just so creamy, and I love it so much. It looks so pretty. I'm just gonna add a bit more of the red to make it a very nice and bright pink, because I love this. It looks so pretty. Look, guys, it's so pretty. I'll zoom you up a little bit. Whoa. And now, guys, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more red. I know it's such a pretty light pink, but I just love this so much. So, now I got it to the consistency where I like it, the pretty pink. And now what I'm going to do is just put a tiny bit of just some clear. I wanted to put some clear to make it a little bit more like stretchy and light. So, yeah. I'm just stirring it up, making it look like really nice. And I'm just adding some activator once again. And you won't add too much, otherwise, if you add a ton, it'll just stain the slime to be the actual blue color of Tide. So, guys, I've got it done almost. It's so pretty, guys. And Tide does not stain your clothes, or it does not stain your slime. It's just that if you add a lot at one time, it may just turn it, like say you had a pink slime like I have now, and I added way too much of Tide, it'd turn it like a purple almost. But I'm glad I did not turn it like a purple, because that would have been bad, because I want this beautiful pink color. It's so pretty, guys. I'm just kneading it. It's so gooey right now. But I'm just working it with my hands a ton. And if it's still too sticky after a minute you've been playing with it, all I like to do is add like not even a fourth of the, or 1/4 of the cup of Tide. Because remember guys, if you do too much, it might stain the color of your slime. And I just love this so much. It's just that it's so pretty. Whoa. Okay guys, now you can see that it's a little bit too sticky. So all I'm going to be adding is just a tiny bit more Tide. My hands are a mess, guys. I'm so sorry. But I'm just trying to get it off. Okay. Now I'm just like trying to roll up my my sleeve. So just gonna add a tiny bit more Tide. Because literally guys, I do not want to put a lot because it'll ruin my slime color, and I love this slime. It's so pretty. And guys, don't worry if it gets a little lumpy. It will get a little lumpy, but if your slime is too stiff, of course you just put some lotion like you put in every slime. It's so awesome, and I love this color. I mean, man, it's a little lumpy, but after you play with it for about 1 to 2 minutes, all you do is it just looks so pretty. And see guys, I've been playing with it for a quite long time now. I've been playing with it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And guys, oh my gosh, I just cannot believe this. It looks so good. It's so stretchy and light, and I just love it so much. I mean, look guys, I love it. So pretty. See guys, and this is so pretty. I'll give you a close-up of this. Hold on 1 second. It's a little sticky, but I'm just going to keep playing with it. And now that I've played with it for a very long time now, it's just that it's so pretty. Whoa. It's a great poke. I love it so much, guys. It's so stretchy and light. And okay, guys, today I had a great day with y'all, and I just hope that y'all have a great rest of your day, and that you will not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video like this one. Bye, guys. Have a good day. Bye, guys.